Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. I am in one of my garages with my 2004 commemorative edition C5 Z06. The last year they made the C5, little footnote there. It hasn't run for over a year and I'm going to try starting it up. I think maybe I'm going to be okay, except the gas is probably going to be pretty stale gas, so depending on how much is in the tank, I may put some fresh gas in, or I'm not sure. Let's see if it starts up. I checked with some buddies on Corvette forum about any prep before starting it up, and they said just make sure it turns over a few times before it starts. You can do that by holding the accelerator pedal to the floor, or you can also disconnect the plug wires, which is a lot more work than holding the pedal down. So I'm going to try holding the pedal down. One other guy did suggest removing the plugs and squirting a little oil in each cylinder, which also is probably a great idea, but I'm going to just try and do it the easy way. So I got the key here. I bet the battery is on the charger and it is fully charged. I'm just going to leave it charging there. I think you can see the green light there over on my machine means it's fully charged. So let's give it a spin. Over. Alright. Ignition on. Put the windows down. I gotta make sure I put that passenger side rear view mirror out before I drive it. But I'm just gonna let it. You see the HVAC turned on. That's a good sign. It's actually the correct time on the clock. Well, how is that even possible? I had the battery disconnected. 2:47 is correct. There may be some backup battery on that clock that kept it correct. See if the radio works. Yeah, radio works. Okay, I'm going to hold the pedal down and spin it. I didn't stage this or anything, so I'm going to watch the oil pressure gauge and clutch pedal down, full throttle, open. I'm going to hit it quick, and if it does try to start, then I'm going to turn it off quick. If it does not, I'm just going to spin it for about 10 seconds. Alright, that's what I wanted. I'm not seeing any oil pressure, and I'm not sure if I'm supposed to see oil pressure. Actually, I'm not sure how Chevrolet has engineered this car, whether that gauge works when it's running or when it's just spinning. I'm going to do it once more because I've got plenty of battery. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006. I'm going to say that when you're cranking, these gauges are all killed off, and the reason I'm saying that is because they were all at 0, or they were all at not reading. Now, when I've just got the key on accessory, they are reading. I've got a little under a quarter tank of gas. I've got over 12 volts, and of course, temperature is going to be ambient, and oil pressure, there's not really any residual oil pressure. I'll do one more time. See, when I let it off, it does go up to oil pressure of about 20 psi. So I like that. That's good. All right, I'm going to take my foot off the accelerator, and let's see if it starts. Here we go. Oil pressure comes up. son of a biatch if that doesn't just seem like I drove it yesterday and put it away. It sounds like a champ. Woohoo! Good, good. Alright, I'm going to put the hood down, disconnect that charger, and I'm going to back it out, bring it over to the other garage, check the air pressure. I'm going to leave it running. And wow, I am happy, happy, happy. I tell you what, even my my memory button worked. Got my seat in the right position. Good, good. The steering felt really heavy, but I'm betting I probably only got about 20 psi in these tires, since I haven't checked them in over a year. Let's put some air in them, check them. Okay, so the fans came on, that's good, as it warmed up. All my gauges look good. The tires were all down around 22, 23, so that's why it was steering heavy over there. And now I'm going to take it for a spin. I'm not going to record it, so I'll tell you, report back to you when I get back from a spin, like maybe 20 minutes or so. We went about 5 or 6 miles. We're at a light now, and it's running good. Alright, so we're back. Ran good. And I am going to clean this up, and this is going to be for sale. And I am thinking I'm going to export the car out of the country. I have to look into that. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Click on the bell if you want notifications. Be safe, have fun. Froggy out. Bye-bye.